Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use add-ons on Stremio on laptop. So in order to do that, head over in here on this puzzle piece or this puzzle piece. It depends on you. Now click on that and then you should be able to see in here any add-on that's already been added. So if you want to add a new add-on, you can click on this add-on right here and then paste the URL. Or you can also search for the community add-ons added right here. So here's the add-on. Just head over and then click right here on the install option in order to install it. Once you have installed an add-on, just select in here what you want to watch. For example, let's click on this right here on the Beetlejuice. And you can see in here the Torrential add-on that will display in here for you some video sources. So just select in here which one. So select one right here and then just head over and then just play it as usual using this particular add-on. So we have in here torrential add-on. We already have as well another add-on that we can use. That's how you use add-ons on Streamio on laptop. Hope you help.